I just got to Lewisburg Antiques. I'm gonna try and make this quick. I have no idea how much time I'm gonna spend at Street of Shops. I'm about 3 hours and 20 minutes away from home. That's without traffic. So I don't wanna get too sleepy too quick. Let's go in and see what they got. Of course, one of my favorite vendors has a booth here as well. Gosh, I just can't get enough of this mid-century booth. Look at that tension pole lamp. Oh, so epic. And that mirror, man, it's like such good quality. And it's all in like brand new condition, which is unbelievable to me. I can't help but notice this Millefiori style paperweight. Looks kind of new though. I'm seeing more Valentine's Day colors, which is a sign I like. There's a lot of cute stuff in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I like these. This is a great set. I love the carrier with it. The little cat is what caught my attention though. $13. That's pretty close to what I'd get for that after fees. And of course, you know I love this, but I just picked up one of those down the street. Now, this is so cute. I love this vinyl material, $12. Super fair for, wait, that looks new actually. That's an iPod. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. It's made to look old, but it's new. Wow, that got me. Maybe that's a sign I need a coffee. Ooh, and a horse table lighter, $10. Japan, that's a really fair price. Man, that's a really good price. Ugh. But I'm gonna pass. I'm being super cheap. It's still a little bit more than I'd like to spend, even though I could easily make money on it. Ooh, look at this. Does that say $6? What's wrong with that? Why is this only $6? Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Ah, Smurf. I got a Smurf flying at me. Wow, that's amazing. It is damaged though, and I'm scared to put it back where it was. I know there's a couple people who got mad at me for not putting something back, but that was very precariously placed. Well, these have my attention. $15 for both. That is a super cute one, and so is this. Oh my gosh. Look, she's even got her original tag. For $15, I am grabbing these. There's a lot going on in this booth. Mary Mushroom, glass. It's all pretty reasonably priced too. It's still a little bit high for me to do anything with for resale, but for collector, how much is this? $50. Ooh, black. I feel like you never see black. $10. That's really cool. I could definitely make a couple bucks off that. I'm not sure if I can justify spending $10 on it. I can't not touch fake plastic fruit. Ooh, I'm kind of into this. Murano. It's not usually what I go for. This booth has such a good display that it makes me crazy about a bunch of stuff I normally wouldn't go to, although these are pretty awesome. I also love the 1960s faux fruit. I love the wreath. It's only $20. I would totally get that for my own house if I needed it. Ooh, but we have salt and pepper shakers. Oh, those got me last time, $18. That's about what I get for those after fees. Whoa. Big yikes. I think, are those tiebacks? Those are really pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. That coaster. That is so cool. The pinup girl and the perfume bottle's kind of neat too. This is the same. Oh my gosh, I love these. I did look at those, though they were kind of close. This is the same vendor that's got that great booth in Roller Mills. Oh my gosh, look at all the awesome holiday stuff. That bunny is so cute. The little Rosen. Rose, is that how? That's not what I'm saying. Rose Barrow. Rose. I'm like brain dead right now. Let me put these postals down, and oh my gosh, Valentine's Day. I have like serious, I'm all over the place right now. Let me reel it in. Candy boxes. Well, this pink one definitely got my attention. $20. You know what? Wait, that's a sale. Wait, it's gonna be like only if you pay cash. We'll give you 50% off. Oh, it does say 50% off actually. but Christmas only. Just kidding. Well, even with $20, that is so pretty. $20. I kind of feel like doing that anyway. These have been so hard to find this year, and I love the pink fabric. How much is the one that's... This one's only 10. Pinks have been hard to find. I think I'm gonna grab this too. And we got a couple little ones over here. I'm not crazy about that one. That's just the topped one. And then I love this big one, but it's got some damage and it's 35. Oh, I love this booth. And of course, I love the Tilso Humpty Dumpty salt and pepper, but I've looked at them before. They're a little too close. Oh my gosh, look at this elf figurine. How fantastic. $36 though. Can't do anything with that. They have the best stuff. Oh, I would like want this person to come over and display my house stuff because their merchandising skills are next level. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this little jewelry box. How cute. Ah, that is only $14 and I think it's absolutely spectacular. I'm gonna grab that. Love the fabric covered and the hearts. I mean, even though it's got some stain, it's only on the bottom. That is really special. Oh, look, it's a little dancing doll hiding back here. She is so cute. How much is she? 45. That's about what those sell for. Oh, what a cute little children's plate. Oh my gosh, and it's only $5. Well, I am gonna go ahead and grab that, especially with that little evil looking cat. That is too stinking cute. I've definitely gone over budget on this trip, but wait a minute. I was gonna say I've gone over budget, but I've gotten some really great stuff. Ashland, how much are you? 28. That's about retail on that. Wow, this is really a spectacular booth too, isn't it? What's going on here? Avon. Avon's been getting me recently. Huh. I am walking right towards the freaking... That's fantastic, but it's $15. And now I'm like, what is this? She's playing with the little bubble. That is so cute. With the cat. Vintage wall plaque, $8. You know what? Why not? Now I'm looking at the other ones and they're nowhere near as funny as this one is. That would be really, it goes well with my jewelry box there. And you know the 50% off. Well, this is the same thing. I'm so confused. Christmas. I guess I need to figure out. Moving out sale. Oh, so this is different. So that is only Christmas stuff and this is everything. Well, then we're gonna pay attention to this side. This is cute, although, wait a minute. It says as is. What's wrong with it? I don't know. I can't pay attention to this anymore. I'm starting to lose my attention span in here. This is very cool. This little cactus. So it would only be $1. It is new, but I kind of like it. The other thing that I noticed was this glass covered dish. I've had this style before. It's so fragile. I'm nervous to get it. And then the Fire King bowls. So those are $7.50. I kind of like this little cactus pottery thing. Since it's only $1, I'm gonna go ahead and grab it, even though it's on the newer side. Now, these salt and pepper shakers are kind of fun. $4. I'm gonna pass. I've had those so many times. Ooh, I like this set with the sugar and creamer. How much are those? $19.50. There's a lot of information on here. $24. Oh, that's an awesome set too. Love the mirror with the bird. How did I almost miss these? 3 vintage dresser jars, $38. Dang. Hard to pass that up. These usually sell pretty well and they're kind of hard to find. This one definitely has some damage on the bottom. Do they all have damage? This one crazing. Rice. These are so cool. As much as it pains me, I'm gonna leave them because a couple of them have some nicks and stuff. So when I do the price average, it's not as spectacular as I want. I've spent a lot of money today, honestly. I've gone significantly over budget. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. $12. Let's retail about on that. This booth always has fun stuff. I've found some pretty unique things in here that were randomly super well priced. Oh, there's so much to look at. I can't lie, I am definitely starting to run out of energy, and I still haven't even gone to Street to Shops. Wow, I'm having a moment over this print. I'm not allowed to get anything else for myself, but I do have to know how much it is for my own peace of mind. Wow, that is beautiful, $100. That is spectacular. That's like something I would totally have in my house. All right, we have made it to my favorite vendor's spot. We have to check out the head bases first. 45, okay. I was gonna say, she's normally super cheap, so wanted to make sure it wasn't 30, 55. That one's 55. The little shamrock Irish boy and girl, only $12. There is so much to look at here. Let me move. Hold on, I have to put my basket down. But also, she has a spot over here. $7 sold. The yellow is super hard to find. I'm gonna grab that. And you know, I already saw the little super cupid mouse. Oh my gosh, $3. I'm gonna get that too. That is too stinking cute. I'm also noticing, even though I'm not the biggest St. Patrick's Day person, 994 though, 1994. That's a little new for me. These are kind of fun. $18. It's for the set. That's a super fair price. I don't feel like messing with that today though. All right, I'm just gonna start at the beginning of her booth because I just keep being all over the place, and then work my way back. What is happening here? Why is this only $7? Poodle vinyl card table cover, and it looks like it's in pristine condition. Oh my gosh, and it's only $7. I'm getting that. Now, what's happening here? These are kind of funny, but I'm gonna pass. This is really it. I love that so much. And they have a bunch of Santa Claus face mugs. All right, let's see what's going on. $6. Something ain't right there. Hold on. This one's $6. It's got somewhere. Look at the candy cane planter. Wow. Okay, I need to calm down. How do I calm down? I already said that I was gonna go one by one, but I turned around and I saw all this. First of all, the snail. How much is it? $7. Oh my gosh, how fun. And 7, 8. Oh my gosh, this one sells for crazy money. Oh, I'm grabbing this too. This has gotten super out of hand. Now, I also am in love with this pink one. I'm gonna grab that too. And how did I not see this little Valentine's Day apron? $5. It's got a little schmutz on it. I need to calm down. I have to say, I have never, ever filled 2 baskets here, and I'm not even done. Now, I know. But first I need to know how much this is. $55. All right, I can let that go. All right, this is where I left off. $9. Could still make money off that. These usually sell so quick. Japan, $9. I don't sell mine for top dollar. This one's only $6. I'm gonna grab that. It's got a little paint loss, but I don't really mind. And this one is only $6 too. Why not? I'm gonna grab both. Now, I can't help but notice this little teapot. How cute is that? Made in Japan, $8. It's Small daisy teapot. Well, that is just adorable, isn't it? The candy cane planter. Now this is clearly part of a set. $12. I'm gonna take a chance on it. Might look it up just to be safe, but I kind of already know it's worth more than 12 bucks. This is too cute. Yes, so I was not mistaken. The last one sold for $54 that I saw, and I only looked at one. That was all I needed to know. I'm gonna grab that. I think this is adorable. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that too. It's just so my style. Unpopular opinion, I'm going to leave this snail. This one's only $3. It's got a little bit of damage. I'm starting to wind down. I've spent a bunch of money, and they don't like do anything in advance here, so I already know I'm not gonna have much time at Street of Shops, so I'm trying to rush it. Oh my gosh, I almost missed the heart planter. $9 sold. That was easy. All right, what else can I grab before I get out of here? Oh my gosh. I'm no Chesterfield. $3. I'm buying this. I'm not sure if I can sell this because it might end up in my personal collection of Valentines, but either way. All right, I think it's time to call it. Unpopular opinion, I'm leaving these. I'm just kind of burnt out. I've done enough, and I still have one more stop to go. You think I bought enough stuff? I have almost like an hour. I do this every time. I have like an hour to go to Street Shops. I'm $100 over what I set aside for my budget, but look at all the stuff I've been finding today. It's awesome. It's been really rough for me the past couple weeks, so I'm glad it paid off. All right, I'll see you guys when, oh wait, I already didn't tell you. I paid $168 for everything in here, which is insane. Great deal. I'll see you guys at Street of Shops. This is chaotic.